Is there any concern that releasing these into the wild, because since they don't belong, they're not native, that there could be problems later on?
Yeah, so these thrips came from Brazil, and we've done extensive research over 10 years testing out all the different plants that are related to Brazilian peppertree, as well as those that might be of economic concern that aren't related. And we've tested these in the lab, and the thrips are exclusively found to feed on Brazilian peppertree, so that does not pose a risk to the environment to any other plants. And this is done through 3 different tests. We do first a starvation test, so the thrips are put in a container, and they have either the option to eat this plant or to not eat and die off. And then after that, we give them a choice, say between this plant and its close cousin, the mango, and they are given that choice, and if they choose to feed on the mango, then we proceed with the next test, which is the multi-generation test. So say they do feed on it, but if they can't reproduce, like the plant doesn't give them the right nutrients, then the population would die out anyway. So we go through those different steps to determine the safety, and like I said, over 10 years, we've tested well over 100 plant species that could even be possible for them to feed on, and they do not. They only develop on the Brazilian peppertree.